All right, let's get into it. You gotta love it when you see it in a bag like this. Gotta be new, right? This is the Alaska Honoring Those Who Served livery. The flaps down model. Oh, this has never been touched by human hands since China. There's the item number, G2ASA 1138F. F for the flaps down version. Man, I've been playing with a lot of wide bodies lately, and this plane, even though it's a 737-800, it's very small. Yeah, it's very light too. But man, I love the colors of the engine. I didn't realize that when I saw it in the pictures. It's got the removable landing gear too. Nice. Let's look at it just without on the ground. Man, I like it. Look at the engines, look cool with the gray in the front. It's not really gray, it's like a stripe. Let's zoom in. Oh wow. Alright, let me put the landing gear on. I don't like the way they look without the landing gear. Well, I was super excited when I saw it came with the covers for the landing gear for the in-flight version, but man, if you look at this doesn't really fit well at all. I tried to switch it, and man, God, it's horrible. When you turn it upside down, it falls out. So I mean, you can't actually fly with it because it falls. It doesn't fit right. Look. I mean, I tried to switch it to the other side. It just doesn't matter. It's a shame because I like that they painted. They went through. They actually took the time and painted the tires black and the blue to match and everything. But I don't know. You turn it upside down and they just fall out. So it's kind of worthless. Kind of worthless if you ask me. But I mean, look. They're super cool looking. I mean, they're all jacked up. I mean, I don't know. Here's the rest of the landing gear. I hope the other landing gear fits better than... So small. I've been playing with these wide bodies, and what's the yellow part for? The yellow part of the... I don't think so. Let's see if I can put these on without... Oh my God, what is this? What is that? Do I need to cut that? I mean, it's round where that goes in, right? I don't know. I'm gonna need to have two hands to try to do this. I mean, I got it in, but I kind of had to bend like the plastic or whatever to fit in there. To fit in. I mean, they're pretty much in. They're in pretty good. I mean, I don't take it out a lot anyway, so I'm probably just gonna leave it like that. You can get a good look at the engines anyway while it's upside down. Got some good markings on it. And look at that. That looks great. The split wingtips. Alright, let me see if I can put this in now. That went in pretty easy. But the landing gear is so small, my God. Is it really supposed to be that small? I guess so. You can read the numbers. E-tops. I can't read the rest. I guess that's the tail number with dash 800. 570, is that the tail number? Yeah, 570, November 570, Alpha Sierra. And on the landing gear cover, the nose wheel cover, it says E-tops 570-800. Since this is a dash 800, right? Yeah. And it's a great looking plane. I'm just really upset that I don't even use it, so it's not a big deal. But I mean, it would have been so nice if the landing gear cover would have, you know, you know how Boeing's just, they fold up into it. They don't cover it. It's not a cover. It's just the wheels fold up into the body of the airplane. I mean, it's got some nice antennas underneath. What's that say? Oh Lord, focus. It's not going to focus, is it? Sorry about that, guys. Alright, that's a lot better. I don't know the guy's name. I should know the guy's name. I mean, look at the American flag there. That's awesome looking. I like the. It's like an off-white. It's like an eggshell. Eggshell. It's not really white. It's kind of like an eggshell white. I mean, I haven't even noticed the flaps down part yet. I've just been looking at the plane. I forgot about the being a flaps down model. Come on. I mean, you can barely see Alaska there. And that looks awesome there. American flag right there. I'm gonna make that be my thumbnail. Alright, one of those should work. How many doors does it have? That's the catering door. There's the baggage door. Oh, that baggage door is so small. I wouldn't want to have to crawl in there. It's got 2 overwing doors. And it's got a door in the rear. And another baggage door there. There's the flaps down part. Alright, so smash the thumbs up and I'll see you on the next video. Beautiful plane.